Good evening, folks. This is Johnny, your furnace man, with another video on how to fix your own furnace. This job required replacing this control board, all those wires. Try not to get those mixed up. Who knows what'll happen. Got the inductor fan working, and we also replaced the igniter. Hopefully that's going to turn on and turn glowing hot here shortly. Yes, there it goes. Next thing's going to happen is the gas is going to turn on in there and ignite the burners. Hopefully it doesn't blow up. Might want to stand back. Woohoo! Honey, we got heat tonight. 28 degrees outside, and there is the sound of pure fire. Looks like it's all working good, folks. Well, this job took a lot of butt crack to get the job done, replace the control board and the igniter, but hey, it was worth it. I saved $800 and I didn't blow myself up. So folks, it's time to celebrate that I've got heat in my house tonight, 28 degrees outside, and another successful mission and video on how to fix your furnace and not blow yourself up. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Till next time, bye-bye.